Okay, so today I'm going to be tackling this area of the shop here. I'm going to be making some custom shelves. You can see there's shelves already there, but we're wasting a lot of space there because they're not custom, they're just standard. So there's a lot of wasted space in this area. I think we can get a lot more storage if we make something custom. I'm not going to make anything fancy. I'm just going to use some 2x4's I got laying around, and then probably plywood for the shelving. So it's not going to be anything real fancy, but it's going to give us hopefully a lot more storage in this area here. Maybe some pegboard in some areas to hang some stuff, but I think we're really wasting a lot of space here. You can see all the junk gets piled up on the bottom there because there's not enough shelf room. So hopefully I'll get this area cleaned up here. I gotta get everything off the shelving and out of the way, but yeah, a lot of our DeWalt tools that we had are in my DeWalt toolbox now. So this is kind of the chemical area. And then again, we got some more air tools up there, extra stuff that we don't really use very often. So maybe I'll move that, hang it up on the other pegboard. And this is a lot of just truck parts and stuff, semi parts, tractor parts. So everything's just kind of thrown in there right now. Try to get it organized here, and I'll see what I can come up with. Okay, so I got everything on a pallet here. Got this shelf dismantled. Some of the stuff on this shelf are temporary, but I got it all cleared out. So, fresh template here. I want to put this jack here. I want to store it here, so I'm probably going to build my shelving around this. Because this has to be here, because you have to be able to take this and come straight underneath the hoist. So that has to be here. I tried putting it over here in this corner, but trying to get it out here just didn't work out. And this shelf back here, or this cabinet back here, it won't open with that there. We've got another one of those cabinets back there. I think I'm going to try to bring it over here, and I'm going to try to set it up in here. I don't know if it's going to be too tight in this area or not, but I think I'm going to try it. That would open up that area back there for me to take the grinders here, move them back there, get them out of the way. That's where they were until I moved the cabinets there. Then they come out here, and now they're kind of in the way. So I'm going to try to do that. I'm trying to come up with a plan here on what I want to do. So I think I'm going to put bins down here. We got a couple bins that are kind of floating around. Actually, we got more than a couple, but we've got, I think 2 will fit here. And I'm going to set them up there and kind of try to get an idea for what I'm doing. But I got it all cleaned out, so I got a clean slate to work with here. Okay, so I got this cabinet here with alongside the other one. It's kind of tight in there, but it works. Trying to use every inch of space in this shop. Some areas are going to be tight. Okay, so this is my thinking for in here. I'm actually going to have 2 bins here. Actually going to make another shelf, and I'm going to put 2 more bins. Then there'll be 2 more shelves that run all the way across here. Above that, so they'll run across here like this. So that's the plan for now. With that shelf moved out of this area, I got the 2 grinders in there. There's actually room for some cabinets or shelving here or something. So we'll see about that, but definitely looking better back here. Just got to find a spot for all the junk that I took away from there. So that's going to be the tough part. I need to go get some supplies to start working on this, and then I'll be back. Alrighty, got the frame all finished up here, so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Space for the jack there, and actually had to cut that 2x4 off to get that, so the jack wouldn't hit it. So then I bolted this right to the pallet racking, and then it's screwed to the back wall there. You can see all the framing and stuff. So framing's pretty much done. I may add a few crossovers for support, so the shelves don't sag or nothing to the deal. But that's pretty much it. So pretty happy with it. A lot of work involved with a custom shelf like this, but okay, so I just ripped this luan into 2 sections, 4x8 sheet. It gives me 2 foot sections here. That's how I made my shelves, was 2 foot from here to the back of the wall. I wanted to be able to go all the way back to the wall, so I can use every bit of the space up here. That's one thing I didn't like about these shelves, was, I mean, the wall was like way out here, so you're like losing, I mean, inches of storage space. So I'm going to go all the way back to the wall with these. Like I said, it's 2 foot from the front of this to that. Actually, I think it might be a little bit more, but I wanted to have more than less. So and then I went with 2 foot because you can buy 4x8 sheets of plywood. So you cut it in 2, you get 2 foot sections. So it works out okay. No waste. You can see I've got one sitting there, but it's overhanging because I got to trim out the 2x4s, and also I got to notch these ridges in the steel so it can go all the way back to the wall. So I just set it in place here, and I just marked them out. Now I'm going to take my jigsaw and I'll cut them out. Okay, so there's my trimmed out sheet here. I just made little diamond shapes where the steel siding is, and then places where the 2x4s are 2x4 shaped. So hopefully that's going to work out. I'm going to drop it up. Okay, so I got it in there. The diamond shape wouldn't work, so I had to go in and there it goes. I had to go in and kind of round them off. So I mean, it's nice and tight against the wall now. Nothing's gonna fall back there and get lost. So I'm happy with that. Comes right up to the edge there, nice. So I'm happy with that. Now I gotta do these top ones. And I have to use 2 pieces because it's longer than 8 foot. So I'll be laying one sheet down there, then I'll be laying another sheet down there, and then I'll have to add another smaller piece on each end. So, but same concept. I'm gonna lay them down here, mark out my 2x4s and the grooves in the wall or anything else that's in the way. I got a pipe over here, and then cut it out, lay it on there. But it's coming together good. Okay, so this is what I've got going on here. Got my sheets all cut, backs all cut out. Had to add small sections here, and then that made me have to add a cross member here and here. But it all worked out, I guess. I've got to, I'm going to glue and probably staple down the luan to the 2x4s. So that's it. That's the construction, I guess. DeWalt tools, made short work of that. So I'm going to glue and staple down these shelving, and I'll be back, I guess. Okay, another thing I had to do was I couldn't put the 8-foot sheet right here, so I had to cut it to be able to get it in here, because no matter how I wiggled and stuff, I couldn't get the full 8-foot behind this 2x4 here. So had to go with it's actually 3 pieces here, 1, 2, and then a smaller section. But once it's glued down and stapled down, I think we'll be all right. Alrighty, so there it is, all glued and stapled down. So that's going to be the end of this video, guys. It's not the end of the project, but just the end of this video. Construction is done. I got a few ideas on how to make this thing look decent and blend in with the other stuff in the shop. So stay tuned for that, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.